Mr. Raamdeo Agrawal, Joint Managing Director of Motilal Oswal Financial, joins us now. Mr. Agrawal, afternoon to you. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Agrawal, in last 4 or 5 days, the news flow, at least the global news flow, has not been all that bad. Global asset prices have been stable, but Indian markets have slipped. They have slipped about 5% plus. So what is causing this local panic?
I think local panic, is because of this discomfort from, this currency movements in India. I mean, rupee is losing continuous value. So that is one big thing, and nobody knows where it is headed. There is no defense. Whosoever appears from RBI, they are saying that they don't want to intervene if the markets are orderly. So it looks that it is headed for new low, and it has its own repercussions for a lot of companies and businesses. And I think today there is something about refining margins slump or something like that. So that has spooked Reliance and kind of company. So, and then I think there is a readjustment of MSCI. So a lot of companies which are going out, they have also been sold out wholesale by the guys. Right. So the mood is very depressing right now, and in any kind of a selling comes, market falls disproportionately.
So Raamdeo, are you happy that Hero Honda is at a new 52-week high, or are you unhappy that central bank is nearing a new 52-week low?
So that's the problem, I mean, you have one stock hitting new high and one stock hitting new low. So that's part of investing. So the sentiment gets balanced and you are even.
Raamdeo, hi, welcome to the show. Just wanted to know a word on your hypothesis for the markets right now. Do you think that we'd perhaps test levels of close to 4,700 again? Is that the highest outcome, the probability of that?
That looks to be the thing. I mean, the trading which is there is well maintained, and from whatever little high we saw, again we are headed. I mean, every time results are new, newer company goes to completely new low. Like this time, Maruti has breached 1,000 and looking to be very weak. So I think, but 4,700 looks to be again we are heading for that kind of a low.
And how are you approaching the banking space as a whole, which has seen quite a drubbing off late?
Yeah, so we are taking all the losses in the portfolio and waiting for the things to turn around. Maybe another 3 months, 6 months. I think next policy announcement will be quite important for them. All the stress, asset stresses, and I mean, whatever could go wrong with the sector is going wrong, and we are at the worst right now. Hopefully, things don't become more messy. Till next policy announcement. But things are not good in that part of the portfolio.
Right. So at 4,800, Raamdeo, what will you add more? Cane India, Nestle, Central Bank, or Hero MotoCorp?
Yeah. So I'm continuously looking at that. Where exactly we get. But I think one of the brightest spot would be all the companies which will significantly benefit of very weak rupee, because now I don't think rupee is going back to 45, 46 or something like that. So the companies which have a huge net value addition, like all the tech companies, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, I think they will. I mean, of course, they would have hedged their next 6 months or 8 months of earnings, but that segment looks to be set for some kind of step up change in their valuation.
Sure, Raamdeo, just wanted to know if you're seeing any ray of hope in any particular sector that as of now in a weak market like this, you would advise people to put their money in.
Yeah. So, are you asking me which sectors?
Which sectors or even stocks?
Yeah, so that's what I said. Wherever this, your net export revenue is very high, your valuation in India is very high. Say, engineering export companies like, say, Bajaj Auto, I think they export upwards of $1 billion, maybe $1.5 billion worth of motorcycles and three-wheelers. So they would benefit significantly. All the IT companies, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, and other IT companies. So these are obvious names, but there must be many more companies which are benefiting, because now I think the change of the rupee-dollar parity looks to be much more permanent. I don't think it is going to come back to 45, 47 in a hurry.